So okay guys, so now we've in a hotel lang kunya la. So, this is our bed, our beds. Okay, no get the cabin. We have a nice little view. Yank, yank. I'm so today I'm going to know. Okay. Nice view, very demure. Okay, but the first show peel and peel and peel. It's hot as hell. Okay, so we got nice. We have a nice little balcony. Nice little balcony. Yes, I'm getting somewhere. Okay, guys. So Janm si nou an nou gwa chita bo poul lan. Mwen de ki ta monte nou poul lan, mwen se monte nou kon. So yeah, nou mal manje. Ase mi gan go toujou petit. Okay, I very hungry. So guys, je suis désolé, bakal nan mais ya, bakal nan poul lan parce que mwen gen red mwen. Bakal nan poul la petit. Maybe mwen ka met al met ti kop lan dan. Bakone. Sinan la pou la den CV, mwen gade mwen jani, sinan la pou la den CV, mwen met de ti kop lan. Apon fin fe, apon fin planning la. Okay, so now we're done. Nou Rive, na pool area, it's very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, and then you could go this way. Alright, so na bwa chache, ti medam yo nap chache la guys pou nou we kote yo e basi yo tal ben. Ou konen mwen bakal ben, you know what I'm saying? So okay. So stop searching for me. Not every day. Anyway, so guys, this is what I have on. Yeah. So, nou a chache moun yo a wesa makone. Na wetale. Guys, na pon ti ji la, it's very demure. Thank you.
I got you. I really was. I ain't got no time for all of that. Girl, you better push it back in.
I can't. You gotta sell it.
No, I have.
Okay guys, so kunya no restaurant.
I have my card on file. Like that's what I said.
No
You can sell
restaurant
me.
kunya. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
So one manje guys.
Hold on.
Lempino de, Martino Samuel. Okay. Okay guys, so Nuvini. Tá com ele de comer.
Olha,
O menino tá com que dele.
muito seguindo ne kunya.
Me caca. Kuna wala tu gas yung net ang box.
Bitch, I cut niggas off.
Period.
Period. I don't care how much kids we got. You gotta go. Okay, how much kids we got? You gotta go. You gotta go.
That's all.
To go, we can live with this.
Okay guys.
That's a little one. I think I need another one.
Thank you. Okay. So, kunya la no fin ponji, no wale where we're going to site. Thank you. Ooh, I like this car. It'd be freezing as hell. My room is hot as hell. Was it a drink? Margarita?
Yes.
Man, no. No. Take the first one. Okay. Okay.
I got my.
Okay, just follow.
Now I can.
Just follow. Guys, m'a tellement vlog en pile, ok? Parce que qui je dis pas ça? Côté nous t'as allé hier, nous pas tellement vlog parce que c'est dans ATV, nous t'es sous bicyclette, nous t'es sous cheval, nous t'es sous tout côté. So m'pas tellement gain chance pour me vlog, but m'gè petit clips m'a mettre dans vidéo pour nous ou bien tout m'a mettre en l'air pour nous, okay? So far I am having a good time. The hotel is like hello. The hotel is tea, but nous avons un plus bel hôtel dans Jamaica than ça nous hier, ok? So aujourd'hui c'est dernier jour nous on va nous aller. So nous allons aller sightseeing, nous allons aller différents bagages et tout, nous allons aller acheter des bagages, des souvenirs pour nous la caille nous parce que des souvenirs bien vol pour nous la caille nous, which is what on Sunday, ok? Nous quitter la dimanche, ok? Oh. Il fait chaud en pile, so moi j'ai deux téléphones là, j'ai clé, j'ai copain qui m'a dit qu'il va aller ça. Et puis j'ai passeport là tout, puis ça il m'a des ans là quand même, ok? So moi j'ai chapeau et on a pris ça pour nous aller. So we trying not travel nous venir là dans hôtel là. Not travel nous retourner dans hôtel là à besoin midi ou bien une heure de quoi que pour nous caler dans pool là. Oh, right now they doing cleaning. Pour nous caler dans pool là, on peut tous les nous sortir dans pool là, n'a pas aller dans dîner. Voyez dans dîner avec 6h30. So faut me faire maquillage, mais faut me faire maquillage mesdames tout pour nous aller. All right? So now I encore les nous sortir là, which is going to be in like 20 minutes, okay? Okay guys, nous allons shop là pour nous try. Okay, rien. Nous allons try clearing pour nous essayer de besoin acheter. And then buy me dark clear. Okay.
Smooth, milder.
Cheers. Ooh, oh yes, bitch.
Fast one.
Bébé, au besoin rhum? Au besoin clairin? You don't care for it, right? Okay, so besoin. What do you want me to bring you from here? I don't know, just souvenirs and shit. Okay. Bye. Okay guys, so moi shit clear. Heavenly, princess, what shit clear over? Okay. So guys, ma prend une ça pour soirée. Pour moi tout kaka. Yes, please. Yeah.
So met acheter.
Yeah.
Mais pour wash le TV là.
Yeah. Little pack here pour clear. He don't care. He don't drink.
Next one will clean.
You need the big bottle, 90. I'm just. This is 180, right? And then 50%
So how much
off.
American money?
I will give you a special price.
What special price for big bottle?
It's 180, half price 90. Guess what? 75. Big bar.
75.
So what come with that?
Airports, they don't have these stuff. Airport
But
have
can we
only-
carry it through the airport?
Sorry?
Can it goes under luggage, under
Yes,
check bag?
6 bottle per person for the US. That's the limit.
Okay, and then when we get there, we have to tell them we have
6
liquor in our
bottles.
bag.
No need to declare anything. No need to
6
go back.
bottles,
or something.
including this, or
Including
6
this
bottles?
Per
small bottle, they just count in a souvenir. I'm talking about big bottle.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so
now
I can
it's
carry this.
Okay, guys. So kunyano we vini back. Kone yon kale yon komaten sightseeing. Nou tal we. Nou pa même fait sightseeing même. Kete sightseeing la. Moute nou go mountain fe makak. Okay, kunyala nou pal nan poul nan len fi sot nan poul nan nou pal nan dine apwe nou fin sot nan dine nou pal nan club. That's it. Hopefully that's the plan.